guys, so we are back with a brand new video, and in this video I'll be doing another dupes video, which I'm super excited about. As you guys can see, I do have Trey right here beside me, so if you hear him making noise, just try to ignore, but he doesn't want to take a nap, so he's gonna be in the video right here with us today. But yeah, in today's video I'll be doing another Bad Habit Beauty dupe, so if you guys want to see what the dupe is, and of course just keep watching. All right, you guys, so I told you guys I did feature this palette in my last Shop Hush haul, and this is the Artistry Palette by Bad Habit Beauty. Here is the box for the product. It is so cute. And then here is the actual packaging. This is the Artistry 12 color eyeshadow palette. This is actually the dupe to the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Mario collab. I did not get my hands on that palette when it first came out because I don't know, for some reason it didn't catch my attention, but then eventually when I saw like makeup tutorials and reviews on it, I was like, I wish I got the palette. But it was actually limited edition palette, so you know, with those kind of palettes, once it's gone, it's gone. So when I saw that Bad Habit Beauty did a dupe for the palette, I just knew I had to get my hands on it. I did pay $12 for the palette because I told you guys their prices did go up, so still not a bad deal, super inexpensive still. So I guess we can dive into the palette and the swatches. Alright, so when you open up the palette, you do get a mirror on top, pretty standard. And of course you also get the plastic sleeve. And these are the eyeshadows down here. So again, same color scheme, just a different layout for the palette. And we will just dive into the first row and then just kind of go from there. Alright, so starting off, the first color in the palette is called Pearl. Is this really pretty like golden color right here. And then here is the swatch of that one. So here's the swatch of that one. It's really pretty. It does have a little bit of kickback to it, but it's nothing that's crazy, but it's a really pretty like golden pearlescent color. Next one is called Sophia. Is this really like cute pink rosy color. Here is the swatch of that one. And that one is Sophia right here on my hand. Next one is called Tuscany. It's a matte brown. And there is Tuscany on my hand. And then moving on, we have Daphne. That one is a really pretty golden color. And here is Daphne on my hand. It is a shimmer shade. And the next one is called Laurel, one of them. And then that one is a really pretty green color. And here it is right here. It's probably the most pigmented one I've swatched so far. And then the next one is called Siren. It's a blue color, which is really pretty. And Siren is right here on my hand. Really pretty color. All right, you guys, moving into the bottom row down here. The first one is called Mona, which is like a taupey brown color. And here is Mona swatched on my hand. It looks almost gray on my hand. Next one is called Aria. It's a really pretty matte orange color, which will be really pretty in the crease. Here is Aria right here on my hand. And the next one we have is Dupe. It's like a bronze color. It's really pretty. And here that is swatched. All right, moving on, we have, it's Clement. Some really weird names, but anyways, here is that one swatched on my hand right here. And then moving on, we have Primavera. It's a really pretty like pinkish mauve shimmer shade. It's really pretty. Let me swatch that one for you guys. And here it is right here on my hand. And then the last one we have is Frida, which is a really pretty bronzy color. All right, you guys, so since we have the swatches out the way, let's go ahead and dive into an eye look. I am going to use my Lorac Behind the Scenes eyeshadow primer. Alright, you guys, to start off the look, I'm just going to take Pearl and just put it all over my eyelid right here. And then for my crease, we're going to take Aria, which is this burnt orange, and just put that in my crease. Alright, and then on my lid, I'm actually going to take Laurel, that really pretty green color, and just put it like on one half of my eyelid. Alright, and then for the inner part, I'm going to use the color called Dorsey, which is that really pretty like bronzy color, and just put that in the inner part of my eyes. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and I completed the eyes. For my bottom lashes, I pretty much just used Aria and Tuscany, the orange and that brown one for my bottom lash line. And then for my inner tear duct, I just used Daphne, that pretty golden color, just to give it some pop. But as far as face highlight, because you guys might have to highlight my face, I did feature this product in my Shop Hush haul as well. It's the Glow Glam Baked Illuminating Highlighter by Italia Deluxe. It was more of like a rosy pinkish highlighter, but I still wanted to use it on my face today. It may not go with my look because it's more like a rosy color, but just wanted to use it. So here it is right here, and let's just apply that to our face as our highlight option for today. Yeah, it's more like a rosy pink color. Ooh. It's not bad, it's just it doesn't match my skin tone. I think if you was more fair skin, it would be really pretty, but yeah. Let's top that off with another highlighter. Just gonna use my Laura Geller in Gilded Honey just to kind of go over it. Alright, and then for my lips, I did feature the LA Colors High Shine Shea Butter Lip Gloss. This one is in the color called Fresh. Alright, you guys, this is pretty much the completed look. I will say I love the way my eye look turned out. However, I will say there's shadows. Some of the shadows did crumble on me, like that one crumbled on me. We also had Aria crumbled on me a little bit. I'm not sure because I wet my brush to get the colors to be more vibrant, but I did have some of them crumble on me and give me some kickback. The one called Laurel, it wasn't as vibrant as I wanted it to be, as far as like being like a really pretty green on my eyes. I even sprayed it, but it still didn't give me that vibrancy that I wanted, and so did Dorsey. It didn't really pop, but I mean, besides that, like, it does look really cute in the mirror, and the colors blended out really nicely. However, Aria is more of an orange color, but when I was blending it, it was turning brown. So I think when it mixed with like my foundation, it didn't blend as seamlessly as I wanted it to. So do keep that into consideration. That it did kind of like change the color on me. But besides that, I mean, I like the palette. For the price, is not a bad price. Will I say it's one of my favorite from them? I'm not going to say it's one of my favorite palettes from them, but it's still not a bad palette either. I do think it's worth the price. The pigmentation is there. The blendability is there as well. So it's just up to you if you want to pay the $12 for it. It's up to you if you want to pay the $12 for it. If you missed out on getting the actual Mario collab with Anastasia, choice is yours. But I think it's worth it. I do think it's worth it. I'm happy with it, but again, it's not my favorite palette from Bad Habit Beauty. So hope you guys enjoy the video. I know Trey was probably a distraction. He's actually right here. I'll get him so you guys can see him. Here he is, 9 months old. Say hi, boo-boo. Say hi. So yeah, you guys, hope you enjoyed my video. Like always, please be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.